Is your 2021-2025 Chevy Blazer key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. Replacing it yourself is a simple way to restore keyless entry, start, and panic alarm functions, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. This video will guide you through the process step by step. The key fob is an electronic device that communicates wirelessly with your Blazer's receiver to perform functions like unlocking doors, starting the engine, and activating security features. It relies on a small battery for power since it lacks a wired connection to the car's electrical system. The standard battery for 2021-2025 Chevy Blazer key fobs is a 3-volt CR2L32 coin cell. These are inexpensive, typically costing $2 to $5 per battery, and are widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers. For replacing your Chevy Blazer key fob battery, you'll only need a few basic tools. A small flathead screwdriver can be used for prying open the fob case. However, a plastic pry tool is preferred to avoid scratching the plastic case. You'll also need a new CR2032 lithium coin cell battery, which provides the 3 volts needed. Avoid using metal tools if possible, as they can cause static discharge that damages the fob's internal circuitry. Now for step 2, removing the old battery. First, take note of the battery's orientation with the positive side up, usually marked with a plus sign. Then, use your screwdriver or pry tool to gently lift the old battery out of the compartment. Be careful not to damage the surrounding components. Place the new CR2032 battery into the compartment with the positive plus side facing up. Ensure the battery is seated properly and makes good contact with the terminals. A loose connection can cause intermittent issues. If the fob doesn't work after battery replacement, first double-check the battery orientation and ensure it's making good contact. If problems continue, the fob may need reprogramming. Some newer Blazer models allow this through the infotainment system by holding lock and unlock buttons together for 5 to 10 seconds. If the fob still isn't working, especially with potential water damage, seek professional diagnosis to avoid further issues. Finally, remember to recycle your old battery to help the environment.